Hey everybody, Jared Allen with Bullybag and Tool Company, here to debut the changes of the Ultra Pouch with a paddle. Introducing the G2. This is the Generation 2 of the Ultra Pouch. Will be available March 8th, International Women's Day, also my birthday. And I want to go over some of the changes that we've made to make this the second generation. First off, you may notice a little bit of a color difference here. This one is our candy pink on black. Very, very exciting. It's very good looking. But it's extremely organized as well. We have 3 additional pouches, so that takes the entire pouch count on this one unit up to 15. This inspiration came to us from our home inspector partners, Brick Kicker, who said they needed a place for little screws and things of that nature. So I said, okay, done, let's fix it. The pink on black, really we wanted to provide some flair, some color, some dimension to the next generation. As we move around the bag, to show you some more of the changes that we made, was we got rid of the shorter battery holster and replaced it with a full-length screwdriver holster that's open on the bottom on each side. The hooks have been replaced by the daisy chain, which I really like. I think it's clean. And we've added embroidery on the outside of the flaps here, as you can see. To add more sturdy application, we added a 3rd rivet system with the steel rivets this time, and some color to the paddle itself, which I think looks really sharp. This is available, as I said, March 8th. Oh, one more thing, let's mention this. This is your branding patch here. A patch of soft Velcro, where we've had so many requests that companies would like to have their logo placed on the bag and things of that nature, and we've always accommodated as much as we can. But in this case here, we can actually just have the patches woven with hard Velcro backing, put it right on there. Looks fantastic. If you don't want the patch, that's fine. You don't have to have the patch. You can always attach other tools there using a hard Velcro sticky system. A lot of people know what I'm talking about there. This is available, of course, in the pink on black, as you see here. I'm wearing the gray on black, which I really, really like. And I'm really starting to really dig this black on black. So look for that coming out March 8th, 2021. International Women's Day, my birthday. I'm sure we'll be sending out a coupon code for everybody to use to take advantage of this rollout. Look for us again, bullybag.com.